Good morning, everybody. I am preparing food to take with me today. I'm going to have my DEXA scan, collagen powder, and protein. Cut up my banana. Some thyme. Sweetener. Cinnamon. I love cinnamon in banana oats. It's my number one life hack. I forgot to plug in my audio. This goes in 10 minutes. A little bit of sriracha. I look forward to it every night when I go to bed and I'm a little bit hungry. I'm like, oh, I can't wait to have my oatmeal tomorrow morning. That's exactly 25. Meal number 2. Do not forget your protein powder.
Onder gaan liggen, dan mag je, ja, dan mag je de handen zeg maar zo langs je heupen. Ja, en praten mag gewoon hoor, dat maakt allemaal niet uit. Je hoofd niet bewegen. Het ging goed. Nou, veel mee hè?
Ja, alles wat doen. Dit krijg ik ook op de mail?
Ja.
Cool.
En vetmassa is dit korreltje. Dus je komt uit op 24,6. Zelfs aan de lage kant. Zeker als je kijkt naar deze mediaan. Je weegt 71,9. Rondom de buik heb je veel minder. En op de heup zie je meer.
Ja.
Dat is eigenlijk ook een prima samenstelling. Over jouw spieren, in de armen en in de benen.
Ja.
En 8,45 is een best hoog getal. Dus je kan wel zien dat je traint. Op basis van heel veel scans zie je een 8,45 niet zo vaak.
Ja, dat is een goed teken.
Goedemorgen beste reizigers, het is 9 voor half 11 en wij naderen station Utrecht Centraal waar we binnenkomen op spoor 8. Helaas gaat deze trein niet verder dan Utrecht Centraal wegens een verstoring. Verderop deze lijn is Utrecht Centraal het eindpunt voor deze rit.
Ik heb jou zo lang niet meer gezien.
Welkom back!
Daar in het echt.
In
Guy.
just got back from the body scan. 24.6. That's basically exactly what I thought it was going to be. I'm going to get the report in a few days. I'm really excited to really look into it, but basically I was overweight. I have a workout in Rotterdam in like 2 hours. Big coffee at Starbucks with a girlfriend of mine. She has been traveling all over Europe and Poland for like almost a month. So it was just by coincidence that I stopped in Utrecht because my train didn't go any further. I was supposed to go to Rotterdam already, but the train stopped in Utrecht, so I thought it's a sign. Okay, so basically I forgot to turn on my mic again. So here you see me starting the workout with face pulls and talking to myself like an absolute but it happens. Okay, so doing side raises for my shoulders. I got really strong in this movement. I am doing these with 8 kilos now. I used to do these with 4 kilos, but my shoulders really got a lot stronger, as you can tell by the face I'm making. I am impressed, which is nice. Happy girl, looking at the biceps. And now we're doing 3 sets of everything, by the way. 3 sets. I am supposed to do between like 10 and 12, but I can do way more with the weights I usually do. So these few sets were all 20 and I'm doing a drop set now. I just keep going until I go to failure. So I'm still like figuring out like what weights are perfect, but I'm getting better at it. So I'm just going until I can't go anymore to build these 3D shoulders. Yeah, look at me. Yeah, so now I'm doing pull-ups. Again, 3 sets of, which is supposed to be like around 10 to 12, but I just keep going until I can't anymore. And if I can't anymore, I'm doing partial reps. Just getting as far up as I can, really getting the stretch in the lats, still like making every set, every rep count, really pushing myself to get an even bigger back. Because that's what we want. You see here, I'm not getting all the way up anymore, but I'm still like going as far as I can. I think maybe I had like one more, like I can do a little bit more next time. Okay, and now we're doing cable pullovers. These are also really nice for the lats. That will really give you that hourglass figure. This is your sign, if you're a girly, to not skip upper body, to not skip training your back, because that's really going to give you the illusion of having a really tiny waist. As you can see here, going to failure till the form isn't good anymore. And then back days, we finished those with hanging leg raises to also do some abs. I start off with doing straight legs until I can't do them anymore. I try to do 10 of these, and then I do just the knees up. I try to do like, sometimes I can get 20, or sometimes 15. I just keep going until I make the ugliest face possible, and then I jump off like a unicorn, and then you have to flex the back, of course, because if you're gonna make an Instagram reel with this, you have to have a flexy back shot to start it with. Okay, so I jump off. Here is me going on Stairmaster, showing off the glutes. Talking with the dude, because last time I went on the Stairmaster, I fell because it started going down the moment I got on it. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm back home. I am tired. I really want to give like happy energy right now, but I can feel my body is tired. My period is going to come next week. I'm sad. I think I look ugly on screen. Also, I was so close to like binging downstairs because I was so tired, and because my period is coming. This week is always harder, and I was just in the kitchen and I kept it to eating a half cup of vanilla yogurt with like a little bit of granola, and that was my cheat, and that was just enough to not have to eat more. It was probably around 70 calories, and also like I took a lot of extra steps today, so maybe I'm fine. But like, yeah, this was hard, and being in my bedroom right now and not binging is a victory. So thank you for also like being there in like the less fun times. Like usually I want to be just bubbly and like excited and like happy, but now I'm just worried about stuff, and I know that like next week I'm not going to be worried about these things anymore. I forgot to plug in the microphone. It was such a good workout. I was so happy. The talking went so good. The environment was perfect. Like, so the microphone is a bit of an issue, even though I went to school for this. I am an audio-visual expert. But yeah, apparently turning on the microphone is difficult. More difficult, but I'm happy that it happened when filming vlogs and not when shooting for clients. So that's a good thing. That all being said, with that all being said, thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next vlog.